Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. You may remember this project we did with that retaining wall on the left and then this beautiful travertine patio with two seating walls here on the right. But today we are looking at some river jack that we put in, so I won't focus on those projects too well. I got another video about those up here on YouTube you can check out. But this river jack is a nice solution for any area underneath the deck where you have trouble with the grass growing. You know, this client had dirt flying up on their nice white columns, so now they can clean those and repaint them and not have to worry about everything splashing up. But basically what we do is we dig down on the edge so it's fairly close there. We put in a gator edging that's flexible to give these nice curves. We put in a landscaping cloth below it, which is the heavy duty one designed for gravel that won't rip and tear over time. And then, you know, before we put everything down, we graded everything out real nice and made sure that the water would slope and there wasn't any low spots or anything, so it looks good. Now I do want to caution anybody that's going to get an estimate on this stuff. You think, oh, it's just gravel, it's cheap, but you know, we had 4 guys out here for 8-9 hours today that are real hard, good laborers. You know, cheap laborers or guys that aren't that good, you probably would have needed 8 of them. You know, the material alone is about $180 a ton. We had 6 tons out here. So when you start doing the math on these projects, it can add up pretty quick and be in the $3,000–4,000 range before you know it. So just caution that they're not, you know, a few $100s like some people think. You will be spending a little more money than that, but it is a very, very nice clean finished look that you'll see that we put here under this deck. Let's take a look under the steps real quick. So underneath the steps, same concept. Looks really nice. This was all dirt before, and now it's a nice clean gravel look. Here's one final parting shot so you can see the seating walls with the patio and the stone. So I hope you like what you see and you'll give us a call for an estimate on your project. We do any hardscaping work and we do a good job. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.